Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to find if AB is equals to 4 and we have to find the value of a power x plus b power x divided by a power minus x plus b power minus x. So let's start today's video solution. So we can solve this as a power x plus b power x by, according to exponent rule, x power minus m, we can write it as 1 by x power m. So similarly, we can write it as 1 by a power x plus 1 by b power x. So I'll write the numerator as same and take the LCM of the denominator. So the LCM is a power x, b power x. And here b power x plus a power x. Now, according to the formula 1 by a by b, we can write it as b times 1 by a or b by a. So we can write this as a power x plus b power x times a power x b power x by b power x plus a power x. So we can eliminate this. So what is left? A power x, b power x. We can write it as ab whole power x. And the value of ab is 4. 4 power x. So final value for this is 4 power x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.